Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix your Face ID not working on iPhone after your iOS 16.3.1 update. First of all, restart your iPhone by clicking the Apple button, which is the power button, and the volume up button when you want to turn your volume up at the same time. So you're gonna hold that until you see a slide for restart button. So just restart that. For the second method, if the first one doesn't work, make sure that your phone is updated to its new version. To check, just go to General, Settings General, and then Software Update. Here you can see all the new updates and versions that Apple is sending out. And if that still doesn't work, try going to apple.support.com if none of these worked, and they can help you out there. So these are the simple solutions that can help you fix your Face ID. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bells. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.